Hello, hi, morning guys. Hi, welcome back. Today is a Friday, 12th of November. So this is the last day of the week. So we're gonna look what our opportunities for trading plan today. So here, if you guys can see my screen, you can thumbs up. If you guys don't see any image, so give me some comments. So hi, as usual, my name is Fidaus. I'm from OptaFX IB, my moneys. So if you guys don't have any account, you guys can sign up at our platform, OptaFX. Later I will share the links. It's a free sign up, so we just can just sign up the account. Later I will provide a specific video how to sign up to sign up the account. So the step by step I will teach in the particular video. So let's start. For those who have already following me, hi, how was your day? How was your trade? And hopefully you can gain more profit. You already gain profit for this week. So let's start of the day. We see what is our chances to trade today. So first of all, we're gonna look into the, as usual, as before this I using my first reference is always on forexfactory.com. You guys can open forexfactory.com. You guys can see what is the news today, what is on the news today. So today is a Friday. Is I highlight here. Not so much data. It's not so important data, but it will impact the market. This is only medium data release. We have one chef, and I will be focusing on the USD pair. Uh, Actually on 11 p.m. on Malaysia time today. So what my focusing is job opening and prelim consumer sentiment, because I see some might be in this particular data release on that time. I'll expect gold will be on high volatile. So because most of the investor move to safe haven currency, which is gold, because USD is still on playing on the stem and sentiment of the on the high rate for interest rate. So most of the majority of the player is currently go to the safe haven currency, which is gold. And as you can see, yesterday gold spiked very high. Gold spike is around, let's see, gold spike is wait, I open the gold mapping first. We'll see. Okay. Gold spike from yesterday is around. Wait. I open now. So okay. Yesterday, gold spike is around 444. Is a huge amount. It's huge numbers. Very, there are spike one candle for 440. So we are expecting more based on the news. We see here more job opening is good for the currencies. Actually, the forecast is less than the previous. So but currently we see maybe USD playing with the neutral sentiment, which is not so big movement. So let's focusing on other pair. So I'm not going to in touch about the gold, because I don't see a significant movement yet. I don't see whether it will go up or go down or just do the reversal for today. So I'm expecting gold will continue climb up, and maybe it will maybe next week we gonna focus back on gold because tomorrow they have FOMC member William speaks that I think will be a clear picture, clear statement of where is the USD, where is the direction of the USD. So let's ignore the gold first. We go for other mapping. So let's focus on, maybe we can look at a GBP AUD, because previously, if you see previously on this week, on AUD data release, where is RBA monetary policy. RBA monetary saying USD will be weak for a while. So today not so much pair. I will give a mapping, maybe one of two, just one of two, because it is already end of this week. So we will see GA. So what we gonna look for GA actually, right now, if we go to H4 time frame, there is the base. This is the sorry, here is OctaFX. Okay, we looking into GA. So hold on, I open the GA position. Where is GA? Okay, here I found it. So we gonna change template. Alright, so guys, where is my position of GA? This is the zone. This is the zone for GA. So you will see here, you got some support here, and really the price cannot break down the support here. Support already trying 2, 3, 4 times to break the support, but eventually it failed to break the support. So what we're gonna look for today, because I already entry at this position, at this level, already my entry. So maybe still I think the price will go up until here. Still have balance around, not so much, it's around 76 pips. So you guys can entry for buy, instant entry. So maybe I think price is will come down to here and spike back to yeah. The price, I think the movement is not so significant movement. It's not so significant. So because no data release on the GBP or AUD today, so the price will playing on the sideway, is going to dot here, and maybe the movement will we will see the price will move around next week. And so temporarily you guys can put on your instant on the small lot here, and you can put your pending order here, pending order by limit here. So the stop loss will be, I put it is yeah. This is the stop loss. So it's trade on your own risk, trade on your own risk, and always keep it your money management. To monitor your market, because we want to be a consistent trader. If you every time you put a position into an FM is a full margin, so it's not good for your behavior in the market. Always mind in your mindset, this is a trading, this is not gambling, and treat and treat your trade as a business. It's not as a gambling. So we stick to our plan. So this is my plan for today. GA, I will look for GA. I will looking for GA position. I think until tonight after, maybe I will do another mapping after the data release. Might depend on the volume. So if the volume, I will see the volume first. You will see, because they have one other site that I look into to monitor the for the news. So you guys also can refer here, forexlife.com, www.forexlife.com. Later I will attach in the description below. So we will see Moody's stable outlook for Asia Pacific economic, expecting growth rebound. Who trade Bitcoin? Bitcoin have some volatility past. Who traded Bitcoin? So I give some tips. Bitcoin will hype, will go up maybe next week. Then for this time, this is Asian Open, so we can see more data on the Chinese side, around more data of the Chinese side. So not so much data here. Maybe that this data will update from time to time. Maybe we can look back into the London Open or US Open. So we'll see. Maybe we can do. I have some, not so much data for this morning. You can look into, maybe we can look into one other pair, AUD-CAD. AUD-CAD. So we open AUD-CAD. What happened to AUD-CAD? Okay, yeah, here is my AUD-CAD. Oh no. Excuse me. It's for AUD-CAD. What is the data we want to look about? AUD-CAD. Personally I see AUD-CAD in still on downtrend movement. Here only he do the reversal. So I'll just wait for this price, this current price, to break this below line, to break body this below line. So I just wait back into this area. But here right now we set for KIV position for AUD-CAD. Wait for this price to break the second line here, and we will stand by PO sell here. So what is the stop loss? I put it here. And for AUD-CAD, my target TP is around 0. Yeah, I put the level here. 0.90 4/4. Okay, you can see here. Let's suppose we open this field fix. You will see. So you guys can set, but this is for only for KIB position. Don't entry yet. We look into the price is first price have to break hash 4. Price to break hash for second level here. Break body is the if the price break only shadow, it don't count. Right, this mapping is void. Wait until the price break body at the second level here. So wait for PO sell, for PO cells here, and TP is around here. This is for swing position. For swing position. You guys don't expect this move will close by today. I will expect this movement will close by next week. So we can see for next week's what happened to this two pair. Basically, GA also intraday to swing position, but and yet for GA you can instant entry at small lot size, and you can have your PO on your actual size here is around at this level 1.83112. You can, but always calculate your risk management is around 31 pips. So calculate, don't exceed your 10% of your capital. Only you can use maximize 10%. If you are using your own profit, you can maximize until up to 30%. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. Maybe we can look into this mapping next week. We can revise back, so we can comment on what happened to our mapping. So guys, have a happy trade, have a happy Friday, have a happy weekend. So hope you can withdraw successfully profit today, so that you can enjoy your profit on the weekend side with your family. Alright guys, that's all from me. Bye bye. So always remember, make my monies work for your monies. Okay, bye.